Everyone, Vaughn Marie here, and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So today we are introducing you to the new Bow-tiful Happy Birthday Sentiment die set, and I love that it is great for an A2 size card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You get the layering bow there, which is so great. I'm going to use some faux glitter paper today, and I am just going to run this through my die cutting machine. And then I thought with the shadow piece here that I would just run it through the center of my panel here. And I was just going to run it regular, but I thought, hey, why not do a cast card and run that and then layer some acetate over it. And that will be so fun. You can build it up and make a shaker card with it. How great would that be? Or you can just mass produce and batch a bunch of these birthday cards. If you're like me and you have a lot of birthdays coming up all the time, and that way you can just reach for these and they're so pretty. You can do them in all different colors. You can ink blend them. And what I like best about this die is that the dot for the eye is included in this die cut, so you won't lose it. So that is my problem with most of my die cuts with the dot. I lose the dot and then I have to run it again. And then I have one die cut that will be short of a dot. So I'm just going to glue this word in. And I love the acetate, and you can do pattern paper if you wanted to. You can do a lot of things with this die set. So isn't it fun? And then I thought, let me look for another piece of faux glitter paper, and I'll show you that in just a second, but let me run the bow through there and through the die cutting machine, and I'm just going to use white. So very clean and simple for this card today. And I will have everything I listed in the details down below. And isn't that pretty? And then here's where I'm going to look for more glitter paper, but then I decided not to, and I thought it looked really denim. So you can use a couple of the stamp sets from Kat Scrappiness, and that would be really fun, like the cowboy quokkas. That would be really great. But I'm going to use the birthday quokka die cut ephemera here, and I'm just going to use a few of those die cut pieces and make a simple birthday card, but really cute. And I had a spot there, cleaned it up, and here it is. And then I'm adding my favorite sequins, the teal blue solid round confetti sequins, and I will just share a close-up. So I hope you like the new die set, the new release. Check out our hops tomorrow and all the intro videos, and have a wonderful day.